So today I have this very special friend with me. She's an expert on all Ayurvedic kind of tips. Like, for instance, just now this kajal that I picked up from the this ashram. That is the Isha Yoga. There's you have this little shop, and this is only for $30, but it makes such a big difference. So, my friend who's with me, she knows all these Ayurvedic remedies, and it's Renu. And in fact, I've had a journalist ask me about her, tips. So, your skin is glowing. So, any tip that you could give us?
Happiness makes good health
Yeah,
always.
correct. Oh, yes, stress free.
Stress-free.
But otherwise, also, there is something maybe you've applied or something that, you know,
So
with
moisturizer.
moisturizer, or
That's all.
something that is like, is there any scrub, Godam Pindi scrub or
Yeah,
something?
tan. If
For
any
tanning, yeah.
tanning is rice powder, sugar powder.
Correct.
So milk.
Correct.
This is the best
Rice
tip
powder,
of sugar
sugar
powder
and
and milk.
Okay, but if we remove the milk and it's only rice powder and only
Yeah,
rice
we
powder
can.
also.
Yeah, we can
The-
apply. Pour
put
in that
some
rose water also.
So okay, and
Simple water also, rose
my
water also.
God, because I have to say this, Renu comes from a family where they are all beauticians. Her daughter's a beautician, her sister runs her own parlor. Renu has also studied the field. So, nothing like getting an opinion from a person who does that professionally. So truly, so Renu, you'd want to wish people a Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Many more happy Christmas of sweet universal people.
Yeah. So these are these special videos that we do, and we'll be off to, hopefully, like, once we are in that particular location, we'll do a recording. Beforehand, I don't want to say that we are going here there, but this is so cool, and I'll catch you all in my next video, because this is almost a 2 minute. It's crossed a 2 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.